Hey, this is Tracy Lewis with Stuff and Things. I have an unboxing to do. This consists of a few items for Christmas presents, as well as some items for my stash. I took the Christmas presents out, by the way. And it also includes my discounted DSP for the month of October. It's certain sets are 15% off, and I will place a link to my store to that category if you want to peruse all of the options. So I did buy Life is Beautiful. It's been on my list, and I wanted to make some Thanksgiving cards for this Thanksgiving with the fall looking tree and these leaves, so I finally got it. I ordered Stampin' Seal Plus. I have now used up my Stampin' Seal and bought a refill of it. My overall thoughts on it is it's rather gummy, so there is some tricks to using it. I'm used to using a drier, I guess, adhesive, and so whenever I use the Stampin' Up adhesive, I have to do some retraining, and I'm getting used to it, and I do like it. It sticks very well. And so, so far that's an improvement in my mind from their old stamping adhesive that they had. I did buy a host set. This will be used for some Christmas cards for my Winter is Coming Wednesday. I was drawn to it not so much by the stockings, but by the font and the sentiments that come with it. But I will make some fun things with the stockings. I did want to get a coffee set. I like this set. I always keep my eyes out for a good set, and I like the sentiments and the small coffee mugs as well as the large ones and the beans. So this will be for just regular old card making. I did get a bundle that was also on my list. I like patterns. I like lines and stripes. Those are always very fun cards for me to make, as well as these little guys for backgrounds. And I wanted to share that the bundle comes with letters, alphabet dies. So these are a nice basic kind of a bold or heavy font, and right up my alley for kind of the more clean and simple look. This whole set is a really good clean and simple look. I'm sorry, I see my thing shaking. It's because I am standing in the slide and this is hanging from the ceiling, so I apologize for that. I did get some more ribbon. I bought this combo pack of real red and like old olive with gold edging, so that'll be fun to play with too for my Winter is Coming Wednesday. I'm going to go away now. What I like to do is show you what all of the prints look like, and because they're all sealed and I don't want to take the time to open every one while you watch, I will be opening all of these. It looks like I got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I will be back in a moment. For you, it will look like a flash. Alright, I'm back. So I have it all stacked here, all uncovered, so you can see it in all the detail. So there's the stack, quite thick. I think I counted, what, 7 sets? So the first one is the Velvet Holiday Vellum. It's very thick, and you can use either side. This is the back side with the, I don't know why you wouldn't want the velvet to show in the front. And it is 2 hollies, 2 poinsettias, and 2 filigree patterns. So I'm gonna have fun making Christmas cards out of these. These were not on sale, I believe. These were a full price item. I had just been waiting to get them till this month. This next set is called Heartwarming Hugs. It is double-sided. 2 sheets of each design. I liked the colors. I believe it's Cherry Cobbler, Old Olive, and then there's the dark, some dark in there, Mossy Meadow. And you get all sorts of designs, and I'm going to be flipping this over momentarily if I can get my fingers to work. And there is like the one stripe that you see. So there they all are. Now I'm going to flip it over. So there's some plaid gingham, diagonal stripes, some dots, and some thin lines. I just really like this set. I thought that this was neutral enough that whatever I don't finish for Christmas can still be used for other theme cards. Alright, so this set is called Trimming the Town. Actually, I can even show this to you. And let's see what these are. They are also double-sided. Trying to fan them out appropriately. And then I will again flip to the back side. Alright, so the big pattern is this scene that would be a great scrapbooking page, but the rest of them are all on the side anyway. Repeat patterns. And then I will flip it. There's one now that was white dominant, so these are all darks. And again, I really like this set because it can also be used after the holidays. The words page is going to be fun to play with. And I like the scribbles. And then there's 2 small snowflakes. So that is that set. The next set, there was one last year like this with the bold painted surface, but it was like a canvas with oil painting. This is a little bit smoother surface. Artistry Blooms. Now let's see how well I can fan this one out. So that is looks almost like it was created initially on the original artwork with a gel pen. An ombre background gel pen pattern. Same with this. And there's a big pattern. I have not looked at the back of this yet. And another very large pattern like those colors. And we're just about ready for a flip. Yeah. Alright. Let's see what we have on the back. All right, so these are more muted ombres with some texturing. Very nice. Again, I liked this for just lots of different options. We'll write another Christmas one. Now this one is nice because it's non-traditional colors for Christmas. It is a set called Poinsett Place. Florals, berries. Nope, some pine cones. And holly and berries. Alright, so that I did better at fanning this one. Okay. So, Poinsett Place. And all sorts of greens. And then I love the kind of the hand-drawn wood. Actually, it almost looks like stamped wood. So far, in person, I am loving what I'm seeing. So this set is interesting because I am not, I believe this is petal pink. Let's see if it says. I was looking at the wrong set. There's no greens in this one that I'm looking at. Peony Garden is basic gray granite. It is petal pink. So petal pink isn't my favorite, and ironically, the grays isn't my husband's favorite. But I really thought this was very pretty. So let's see what these look like in real life. And I was going to let you look at this. Is a very small pattern. Very pretty and soft. Alright, so this is what this side looks like. And you are looking at this with natural light. I have a giant window. Sorry, I am shaking the slide again. And I like how the natural light looks. Alright, so the back side is all gray. It's very interesting, the marble, in a very big pattern. What that will look like in small chunks. The flowers, I showed you this very fine, delicate pattern, and then there's this larger pattern. So you can see that this is very, very pretty and soft. Can't wait to create with that. And then this set, I could not pass up. It's been on my list with the poinsettia petals. This has been on my list all year, and I absolutely love greens, ferns. This is the Forever Fern set that I really, really love a lot. So now I will have the papers to go with it that I was waiting all this time. It's really hard to wait for these sales. Stampin' Up! Is pretty consistent at having sales every season. Sometimes they move around, and the paper sale has been happening a couple months later, and it just kills me to wait to buy the annual catalog paper, but it helps me to budget better and get more of what I like. And almost got it all fanned out. looking, and that is the last. All right, so these are all of the different patterns. And the back. I hope this has been helpful for you to see them all fanned out. Lovely, love them all. I did not see a single sheet of pattern that I wasn't going to like, which is awesome. Sorry for hitting the camera. And that concludes my unboxing. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them on my YouTube channel or my blog. Again, I will have a link on my blog article to the whole category for the sale, which goes until the end of the month. It's 15% off, and it is a limited subset of the holiday catalog and the annual catalog. And thanks for watching. All of the products you've seen demonstrated today from Stampin' Up! Are available on my store at stuffandthings.com/shop, which redirects you to Stampin' Up! I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I can sell to folks in the US only. Before you go, please like this video, leave your comments, questions, and suggestions, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more card making tutorials.